Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our channel. In this video, before starting with the content, I would like to discuss about some of the feedback our subscribers have shared to me so far. Many of them highlighted that my audio is not clear in my past videos. Since I am doing this work for the first time in my life, yes, I missed to meet the clear presentation. But from this video and going forward, this will be definitely fixed. One of the other subscriber also mentioned, please share some pictures during the presentation. Definitely I will try to improve this also with the time. Look, however the presentation is, please try to grasp my content, what I would like to share. In spite of my busy other works, I am trying to allocate some time to meet you all. The intention to do this is only to share the knowledge I have in stock markets and help others to gain the confidence to invest and take their decisions in selecting and exiting a stock through my educational videos. But definitely when you have any question or feedback, I encourage you to post in the below comment section so that we can be open to discuss there, and it will of course help to other viewers as well. So now let us switch to the actual content for today. If you are an individual looking to start with investment journey in Indian stock markets and not know ABCD from where to start, or if you are a mutual fund investor and thinking to start to invest in your own stocks after perfect analysis, or if you are a fixed deposit or recurring deposit depositor in various banks and unhappy with the 6 to 8% returns you get from the banks and looking for more returns in Indian stock market, then definitely with the help of today's video you can be getting the wonderful insights to select a multi-bagger stock. The only thing you need to do is just watch video till end to get all the information without missing. If you remember, in our last two videos, we discussed about selecting a good quality stock based on its fundamentals and financials. If you missed to see those videos, I will share in the below description and as well as at the end of this video. Remember again, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and listening to the content from people like me can be risky. Treat my videos as educational content and ultimately take your end the decision. But the content shared here is purely out of my past 5 years investment journey experience. So how to select a multi-bagger stock? Multi-bagger stock by definition says it is a term used to describe stocks that increase several times more than the original investment, generally more than 100%. For example, if you buy a stock with 100 rupees and it rises to 200, you made a profit of 100% on your investment. This means that your investment value has doubled. If the same stock increased to 300 rupees, then you have made 200% return on your investment, which is a two-bagger, and this will be so on. So in today's video, I will take 3 different stocks as examples and explain what stock may become a multi-bagger. I will also explain why others cannot become. So first company in our list is Network People Service Technology Limited. So I tried to open this company in the screener website, and I would like to go to the company website initially to analyze. So I will go from this hyperlink and I can see this is the website of the company. So this company is a leading fintech firm in India, and it is specialized in UPI payments and digital banking and operate as both a technology service provider and a payment platform as a service provider. So this company's solutions include online and offline transaction processing, banking super apps, fraud prevention, dispute management, and compliance technology. Their vision is to provide digital technology across financial value chain. We empower banks and payment aggregators to achieve success at every step of the transaction journey. So the main business model of this company is it provides software and digital payment solutions to the banking and financial industry in India and even the insurance sector. So if we see the business sector of this company, it looks quite promising. As we all know that UPI is very much in trend in India. Even the small merchants and every user in rural also, they are using mostly now the UPI payments across India. And we see Indian UPIs are being used by other countries like Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, etc. So it looks like our UPI has created a revolution in recent days. So if we see this company, it belongs to a trending sector and it is having a good future growth, we can say. And if we see the sales, they are continuously increasing with time to time, and net profits also increase along with earnings per share. If you see year on year performance, its company is gradually increasing in its sales, profits and earnings per share. If you see reserves, there are 38 crores and borrowings with 0 crores so far. And the promoters are holding consistent stake, which shows their clear confidence in the company. And we also can see Sandeep Kakadia, the HNI investor, who is holding the stake in this company. So these all factors combine together to say that this company has a potential to become a multi-bagger for future. Of course, as I say, the company management should also be stronger to trust if a company can become multi-bagger in future. I can see Deepak Chand Thakur, and I can see he is a commerce graduate from University of Mumbai, and he did a master's in marketing management from JBeams. And he worked as a team leader, senior research analyst, general manager, and now he is of course the CEO and founder of NPST. So there should be a strong management as well, and also we should continuously follow up in next quarters and years to see the performance of the company to make sure it is really going to become a multi-bagger for future. So the second example for today is Advik Capital. So here are some of the financial numbers of the company, and if I go further down, I can see the profits and sales are varying from time to time, which are not consistent increase. If I can see in 2021 it is 1.26 crore of sales, and it touched all-time high of 228 crores in September 2022, but again in December it was falling down to 37 crores in sales, and again it was increasing to 228 crores, and in this September it decreased to 102 crores. And if we see, the net profits also continuously varies, going to 6 and falling down to -1 and again to -0 in the most recent quarters. And earnings per share is also not much impressive, and this looks like a company which cannot be decided on its financial numbers, whether it can become a multi-bagger or not. These kind of companies may need a close review in future, because to see if their financial performance is increasing and meeting the market expectations. And if we see the shareholding pattern, the promoters decreasing in this company from 57% to 21%, which shows their less confidence in the company business in future. But we cannot say this will not become a multi-bagger. However, we should closely track and see in future if their financial performance is increasing from time to time. In the third example, I would like to take Brightcom Group as an example. Here are some of the financial numbers, and this company trading activities were completely halted because this company has shown some wrong financials in the past, and SEBI interrogation is in progress on this company. If we see, the last 3 quarters results were also missing in the financial statements we have until December 2023. So when you are analyzing a company, you should be careful in checking they are not having any illegal updates happening against to this company. So that those information you can see in the announcements under all category. You can see whatever the updates happening in this company time to time. So it is better to avoid such kind of companies to invest for future. So in your investment journey, you should mainly remember 3 topics. First one, goal in selecting a company. For example, you are expecting more profits to be delivered in coming up quarters and years, or you are expecting company is acquiring well-established companies or entering into new business forays having future scope. And second, continuous follow-ups on your invested companies to notice if they are delivering output as you expected. For example, you expected some good profit margin and they are able to deliver it. Or you are expecting good work orders company will receive and they are getting them. Thirdly, deciding on the timely status of the company performance to remain invested or to exit. For example, company is going to bankruptcy or need to attend court or illegal matters, it is a sign of red to exit. Or company is winning big orders, establishing new manufacturing plants or new demand products, it is a sign to buy them. Or company is targeting to increase their profits or sales by so and so number, then hold the shares and closely track if the company is able to achieve them in coming quarters accordingly. So how you can do continuous follow-ups of your invested company? One option is you can schedule meeting with the company and join shareholders meeting to discuss about your queries. Or secondly, you can go through quarterly and yearly con call statements. These statements will either be in company website or you can get them in screener as well. And third is subscribing to your company news in multiple platforms like Google Alerts or Screener, etc. So in our next video, let us put some light on when to enter a stock and when to exit a stock, and with some other useful information. Thanks for watching for today, and please do subscribe for more videos.